In this video, I'm going to show you how to change images in Lovable. First things first, if you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, simply click on the first link in this video's description, which will take you straight to the official Lovable website. Once you're here, click on Sign Up at the top and sign up with a completely new email to get 25 credits absolutely for free. So once you sign up, your dashboard will look like this. You can simply prompt it to build your first website or web app, and once you build it, it will appear under the My Projects section. This is a fitness website I just created. Let's open it. On the left side, you'll see your prompt area, and on the right, we have the preview of our website. Now, to change an image, as you can see, there's an image behind the hero section of my website, and let's say I want to replace it. Right now, you don't have an option to directly click on that particular image and replace it. So to do that, all you need to do is go to the code option at the top. Here, under the SRC dropdown, you'll see another dropdown called Assets. I'll click on it, and here you'll be able to see all the images being used inside our website. You can go through each of these images and select whichever one you want to replace or change. So as you can see, these are all of our images. Let me check which one we want to replace. As you can see, this is the image we want to replace. It's basically our hero image. If I go to the preview, you can see it's exactly the same one. Now, to replace this image, all you need to do is click on the three dots right next to it. Here you'll see an option called Reference in Chat. Simply click on it, and now this particular image will be referenced in the chat. Next, click on the plus icon right over here, click on the Attach option, and upload the image you want to replace it with. So I have this image that I generated with AI. This is the one I want to replace the original with. So I'll attach this image right in the chat box. As you can see, it's uploading my image. Meanwhile, we'll enter the prompt, replace this image, and click Enter. Now it will start working on replacing the hero image of our website. Let's wait a few seconds until it completes the process, and we'll be back once it's done. All right, as you can see, it just took a few seconds and our image has been replaced. If you look at the preview on the right side, the original image has been replaced with the image we attached in the chat box. And if I go to the details, it shows that our image has been replaced. This is how you can replace any image in your Lovable project, whether it's a website or a web app. So that was all. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, simply click on the first link in the description and sign up with a completely new email to get 25 credits absolutely for free. And if you want to know how to get free credits on Lovable, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.